So welcome back everyone, Mike here. Gonna have a quick little video here today just to show you the Stihl BR800C backpack blower. So here is the Stihl BR800C backpack blower. It has a 79.9 cc engine. It weighs in at a whopping 25.8 pounds, so it is pretty heavy. This thing's designed, for commercial users and for people with big properties and lots of trees, kind of like us here. Trees and leaves everywhere. It's got a 67-ounce fuel tank. The average air velocity is 199 miles per hour. Max air velocity, 239 miles per hour. This one has the side start feature. What this allows you to do is, let's say you're out running it, on a job somewhere, and your customer comes out and wants to ask you a question. You can shut it off, and then you can start it again with this instead of having to take it off your back and fire it up. Or if you're out working in your yard on your own property and your wife comes out to tell you, that you should be working in the house doing something instead of being outside, you can shut it off and then just fire it right back up again. Also has the telescoping nozzle. Has really nice adjustable shoulder straps. Like I said, this thing's pretty heavy, but I've tried it on just a little bit ago. It balances the weight really nice. This is brand new, never been used. I'm going to put a little fuel in it. We'll fire it up and see how it does. The other day I did a video on the MS462, and somebody commented that I had a lot of nerve filling up the oil reservoir on camera, because if you're like me, see, I just spilled a little there. If you're like me with a chainsaw, for some reason you watch it and watch it and watch it, and you get right up to the very end and you overfill it. Or you get so close to the top, when you screw the cap on, it spills out. Actually did spill a little bit right there. It'll probably take a few pulls since it's brand new. As you can see, this is all isolated so you don't get this vibration on your back. Let's try that. You know, I was just saying about the side start feature. Melissa and Hannah got home. We could chit chat for a little bit. And just fire it right up. Pretty nice.
So it's called the side start?
BR800C.
See.
Yep. With the side start. Wait. Oh. Pretty nice. The time saver. Whoop.
Woo!
Melissa sprung into action. She heard the chickens carrying on back there. They keep venturing further and further from the house.
They do.
And this time of year is when the foxes really put a hurting on them.
They love all those leaves to scratch in them, but I just, I don't know.
I'm liking this side start thing here. You know, we can talk and just fire it right back up. Oh.
It's like a pool toy.
Hey. I'm telling you what, if you've got small pets or little children around you, you better be careful with this thing because they're going to be rolling through the yard like a tumbleweed. So the BR800C is definitely the real deal. But like I said earlier, that's designed for the commercial landscaper, people with larger properties like we have, with tons of trees. It'll come in really handy this fall. But you know what? We use a blower year round. You know, I use it in the summertime. The back seat and the inside of the Ranger gets so covered in dust. I blow it out with a blower. When I wash the Jeep or the truck, I dry them off with a blower. Sometimes when the grass gets a little bit out of control, when you got a bunch of grass clippings in the yard, I'll use the blower for that. But just all sorts of things. They're very handy to have around. I really like the side start feature on that. Like I showed you, Melissa and Hannah walk up, you just shut it off, start it right back up, back to work. Don't have to take it off your back. But anyway, I think that's about it for today's video. If you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.